Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, I'll show you how to use 2 exclusive coupons to save money on ACC Crappie Stix store. Stick around to the end to ensure you don't miss any discounts. Let's start by visiting acccrappiestix.com. This site is home to top-quality fishing rods designed specifically for crappie fishing. Here, you will find a wide variety of fishing rods including casting rods, spinning rods, shooting rods, jigging rods, and more. Each rod is designed with lightweight materials for durability and sensitivity. To create an account, click Register at the top right. Enter your details, your username, email, and a secure password. Once you're registered, it's time to choose your rod. Click on Shop Now in the main menu. Here you can see all the categories. Select the category you want. For this example, we will select the Shootin Stix category. These rods are perfect for dock fishing. Once you have selected the product, click on Add to Cart. And now let's move on to the best part. Go to the checkout by clicking on the cart icon. Once here, let's apply 2 amazing coupons to save money. The first coupon is the one you see on the screen, and it offers you a 10% discount on all products in the store. As you can see, a 10% discount has been applied to the total value of the product. But if the first code doesn't work, try the second code that appears on the screen to get free shipping. Now you'll get free shipping on your order. Always double-check the discount before proceeding to checkout to make sure you're getting the best deal. Once the coupon is applied, enter your shipping details and payment information, and you're all set to receive your product at a discounted price. You can pay with a credit card or PayPal. And that's it. Now you know how to register, shop, and use ACC Crappie Stix coupons to get the best fishing deals. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more discount guides. Visit smartcouponfinder.club for the latest coupon codes. Happy fishing! And see you in the next video.